guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I am going to tell you number system decimals. In my last video already we have studied about fractions, how to find out fractions, what is fraction form and types of fractions. Now I am going to tell you about decimals. First thing, how to find out that the number is decimal or not. Suppose you know if there is a -5, -4, you know this is a negative integer. If this is a 2 by 3 number, so 2 by 3 is a fraction number, you know. -1 by 3, it is a minus negative fraction number. So how you find out? You can find out that it is a decimal number. Always know that, always see, first search, there is a decimal point, there is a point in this number, wherever it may be. Suppose this is 2.3, this point is decimal point, this point is decimal point, this is 2.3. it is a small number. You can write here 2435.6784. also it is also a decimal number because there is a decimal point in between the number, in between the position of the number. So this is decimal point. It is very easy to find out decimal numbers. If there is a point in this number, so it is a decimal number. Then decimal number, how to read the decimal number, how the number name of this decimal number. Normally suppose this number is 2435. This is ones position, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand position. This is thousand, this is hundred, this is 10, this is one position. But the decimal point, after the decimal point, the right side positions are, this is tens position, hundredth position, thousandth position, and this is 10,000th position. Means if you want to write the number value of this number, this digit, this is 2 and 2 at thousandth position, so 2 into 1000, this is 2000. This is the place value of this 2. Here the value of 2 is 2000. Similarly, if you write this is 5 at one's place, so this is 5 into 1 is 5. Similarly, the numbers, the digits after right side of these decimal places, this is 10th position is 6, 100% 7, it's 8, and this one is 4. If you want to write the value of 6, the place value of 6, so this is 6 into 10th, means 1 by 10th. It is a fractional part 1 out of 10, so it is 6 by 10, which is equal to 0.6, which is equal to 0.6. Similarly, 7 position 7 into 1 by 100 is equal to 7 by 100, which is equal to 0.07. Similarly, 8 can be 8 into 1 by 1000 is 8 by 1000 is equal to 0.008, and 4 into 1 by 10,000 is equal to 4 by 10,000 is equal to 0.0004. So these are the place value of this digit after the decimal point to right side, 6784. And yes, you read this number 2435.6784. You can't write the number name of this number 6784, because after decimal point you just to read one by one digit. Here at the left side you can read the numbers name 2435 gatheringly, but at right side you have to read one by one number, one by one digit, 6784, 2435 6784. Another example, you can read 132.234, 267.768, 132. We read it gatheringly, we read it together, but after decimal points this is 2, 3, 4. Similarly 267, 768. So this is decimal number. Then next, conversion of decimal number to a fraction. Conversion of a decimal number to a fraction. Decimal number to fraction. Suppose there is a number, this is 2.3. Then now we have to convert this number, this decimal number to fractional number. When you convert from decimal to fraction, always count the decimal points. Decimal points means after the right decimal points, the numbers places, the digit places, how many digits are there after this decimal to right side, after this point to right side. This is right side and this is left side. This is the decimal point. From this point towards, this is right side, towards left, this is left side. So here after this decimal point there is one digit and this digit is 3. So you have to write 23 and there is upon 1 and there is a 1 place after decimal point, so you have to write 1 0. This is 23 by 10. So 2.3 is equal to 23 by 10. Next one, 26.487. Suppose another example is 26.487. So you have to first write 26,487. 26,487 upon 1. How many places are there after decimal points? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the fractional form, fractional number of this decimal number. This is known as conversion. Conversion from decimal to fraction. In my last video already we have discussed about fraction. So here we convert from decimal number to fractional number. Next one, compare which is greater or which is smaller. Compare which is greater or which is smaller. Suppose there is a two numbers. There are two numbers, 50.3. Another one is 25.7. Here 50.3 and 25.7 both are decimal numbers and both are carrying same number of digits. 1, 2 after decimal point there is 1 digit after decimal point. Here left side 2 digits and right side 1 digit. 50.3, 25.7. Here 50.3 means 50 is a whole number part and 3 means something more than 50. 50.3 means something more than 50. In my right side 25.7. In this number the whole number part is 25 and 0.7 is something more than 25. So first consider which is greater. More than 50 is greater, something more than 50, yeah, something more than 25. So always something more than 50 is greater. So you have to find out the greater value by showing the numbers, the whole number parts present at the left side of this decimal point. Here decimal point is, and left side of decimal point is 50 and 25, and you know 50 is greater than 25. So here 50.3 is greater than 25.7. In exceptional case, another case, if there is a number 50.3 and 50.7, same to same whole number part. Here whole number part is 50 and here whole number part is 50. Here 50.3 something more than 50. Here 50.7 something more than also 50. Also here both are something more than 50. Now how to find out which is greater or which is smaller? Here you have to check the digits after the decimal points towards right side. Here towards right side this is 3 and this is 7, and you know 3 is smaller than 7, so this number is smaller than 7. 50.3 is smaller than 50.7. Look at these two cases. The difference between these two cases: in first case the whole number part is differ. The whole number part, the left side part of decimal point is differed. By showing this left side digit, left side numbers, we found out the number is greater or smaller. In second case, both the numbers carrying equal whole number part, 50 and 50, equal whole number, both are numbers something extra, something more than 50. So here if there are two numbers and these two numbers carrying same whole number, then you have to look out at the number of this decimal number, the right side digits here 3 and 7. So and 7 is greater than 3, so this number is greater than this number. Okay, here whole number part is greater, so this number is greater. Here the decimal point, after decimal point the right side part is greater, so this number is greater. Another case, if there is 12.7 and 12.07, which is greater? This is 12.7 and 12.07. Look here. Here the first number is 3 digit, carrying 3 digit, and the next one carrying 4 digit. And you know, normally in whole numbers, if there is 253 and 2530, already you know that the numbers of greater digit means here the 3 digit number, it is a 4 digit number, so always 4 digit number is greater than 3 digit number. But in decimal numbers, it is something opposite, it is something exceptional. Here both the numbers are something extra to 12. This is 12.7 and this is 12.07. Both the numbers are something extra from 12 to 12. Now find out if there is same cases of carrying same whole number. So we should compare these two numbers by seeing the right side position of this decimal point. Here the right side position is 7 and here is 07. Here at right side it carrying 1 digit, and in the second number it carry 2 digits. So here 7 and 07. Here first we should check the first position, means 10th position. 10th position, here it carrying 7, here it is carrying 0. So 7 is greater than 0. So this number is 0. Don't compare decimal numbers by counting the number of digits present in this number. Compare this number by comparing the 10th position digit. This is 10th position digit, 7 and 0. 10th position digit, you can find out which is greater and which is smaller. Again I repeat it. Here look here, this is decimal point. How to find out that the number is a decimal or not, and you know if there is a point in this number, so it is a decimal number. It can be positive decimal number, also it can be a negative decimal number. And this is the place value explanation form of a decimal number in our left side. And normally you know 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, thousands place, but at the right side of this decimal point you know the position 10, 100, thousands and 10,000s. Similarly you can proceed like our left side positions. This is 6784. The number is 2435, 2435.6784, and here I write the places value of this number. And also we know how to call the number, the name of the decimal number. This is 132.234 and 267.768. After the decimal point, the right side of this number, the digits are the digits can call one by one digit. This is not 768, this is 768. The next one is conversion. How to convert a decimal number to a fractional number? You have to convert the decimal number to fractional number by putting 1 with zeros. The number of places, the number of digits after decimal points towards right sides says you the number of zeros you have to put at below. Here 2.3 means there is one place after this decimal point, one digit, so you have to put 1 0 with this one at its denominator. Here 26.487, there are 3 digits after decimal points towards right side, so you have to put 3 zeros with 1 to convert to fraction. Here decimal number is 26.487 and fraction is 26,487 upon 1000. Then the next one thing, comparison of decimal points which is greater and which is smaller. First, here the first case that the both number are carrying same digits but different at their whole number part. Here is 50.3 and here 25.7. So, and you know this number is something more than 50, something more than 25, and you know 50 is always greater than 25. So this number is always greater than 25.7. The next case, carrying same whole number part. Both the numbers carrying same whole number part, 50 and 50. Here the numbers at right side of this decimal points varies. This is 3 and this is 7. So you have to check this number. You have to compare this number by checking the digit, the right side digit. So here 3 is less than 7. So this number is less than 7. 50.3 is less than 50.7. And again the number of digits. Here first case is 12.7 carrying 3 digit, and then the next one 12.07 carrying 4 digit. And you know normally in a whole number 3 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit is always greater than 3 digit number, whatever it may be. 4 digit means it is greater than 3 digit number. Any 3 digit number, any 4 digit number is greater than any 3 digit number. But here in this case you have to check for the 10th position. If 10th position is greater, then the number will be greater. So this is all about decimal numbers, introduction to decimal numbers. In my next video, we'll discuss about the calculation of decimal numbers, how to find out a decimal number with a real number, with a decimal number, with a fraction, everything in my next video. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.